Consider the following statements regarding IBSA. India, Brazil, South Africa Dialogue Forum. So three statements are given. So first statement is, it is widely viewed as unique voice for global south. So actually its main intention is like these things, India, Brazil, South Africa. So these are actually below the equator, almost more majority, significant part of this, what you call, their surface, actually the land surface will lie below the equator. So generally it is considered south. Okay, we will see the explanation. IBSA Dialogue Forum contains India, Brazil, South Africa is an international tripartite that is involving three countries, grouping for promoting international cooperation among these countries. Okay. So it represents three important poles for galvanizing South-South cooperation and greater understanding between three important continents of the developing world, namely Africa, Asia, and South America. So not only geographical, so geographical wise they are similar, and also developmental aspects also. In the terms of development, majority of these three, these continents, actually the continents involves develop, many of these countries in these continents are developing countries only. Okay, so that south-south cooperation, great understanding, these are all the objectives. Okay, that galvanizing south-south cooperation are the objectives of this. So the second statement was launched through Brasilia Declaration 2000. This is also right statement. It created a facility for poverty and hunger alleviation, better known as IBSA fund. This is also true actually. So this is actually factual question. So uh, just you should know about this content. Okay, automatically you could be able to solve these answers. Okay, so in the explanation part I have added some more information regarding IBSA. Okay, so the answer is all of the statements are correct, hence option D is the right answer. Next, which of the following issues the World Investment Report? So World Investment Report, who issues World Investment Report? Actually, as I told earlier, explanation part, these reports and indices are very important in the civil services prelims examination. Every year some 2 to 3 questions are repeatedly asked regarding who publishes what. Okay, so here the question is about World Investment Report. It is published by United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. Okay, so it is established in the year 1964 as a permanent intergovernmental body. It gives the World Investment Report. So what exactly World Investment Report contains? So it focuses on trends in foreign direct investments. So investments. So how the investments are throughout the world, throughout the world, at the regional and country levels, and emerging measures to improve the country to improve. Sorry, emerging measures to improve its, that is FDI's contribution to development. See, this is all about this World Investment Report. In the next part, actually, what I have taken is, so this World Development Report, Global Economic Prospects Report, Remittance Report, Ease of Living Index, Universal Health Coverage, etc. So the service trade. So these are actually published by this World Bank. So here I want to tell you that the World Bank will publish some reports like this World Development Report, Global Economic Prospects, Remittance Report, Ease of Living Index, next Universal Health Coverage Index, the Service Trade Restriction Index. All these are published by World Bank. So the World Investment Report is not published by the World Bank. Okay, only the UNCTAD will publish this.